start it from in here so you can see what's going on. That's part of the CNC.
Okay. Oh, I forgot my pick.
Like that. It is possible.
Wait, they wouldn't be able to hear us though.
What's that?
They won't be able to hear us. They can see us, but they can't hear
They
us.
can hear. The microphone's on right there.
Yeah, but it's...
So I will stay out here. Actually, I'll get it set up so you can see what's going on.
Hey, look at that.
That one's a nice one. They locked me out.
Want us to lock the door too?
You can do you can do your shimmy.
Oh.
What?
Oh, he's looking through the other camera, showing them the people.
How come that mute thing's on?
Okay.
Is it not gonna see it?
Nobody's gonna see it. Only you can.
Scotch tape will work, but
I can't see if
it doesn't
this
stick very
is.
good to this door. Scotch tape.
This
so
is going. I can't see.
Yes.
Do I have it aimed
Yeah.
properly? Okay.
Well, maybe a little bit to that side. That way.
This way?
Yeah.
Like this?
Maybe we should get another hand cam wherever we go.
You should close a little bit the door.
There.
Ah, okay.
Ah, almost.
Oh, it's so close. Oh,
I almost made it.
It almost made
It
it.
was supposed to until you opened it.
Not
Oh.
tight enough then.
It's not tight enough?
No, you're too much above it. You need to put it a little more to
Probably
the
a little bit.
To your...
farther away. Further to
Yeah,
the
yeah, a
center.
little bit
Yeah,
farther.
to
a
your
little bit
left.
down. Oh, okay, maybe. Oh,
No, you got the tape turned, twisted.
There, that might
Oh, yay!
It's gonna fly off.
Yeah, it's gonna hit somebody in the face.
That's how you do it. Ah! Would you like to try?
Of course.
I got that cat hair on me.
Ah, you don't really need to hear it.
Yeah.
Now that you see the concept of what's happening. Now see, normally...
Hey, leave me alone.
Oh, I broke the elastic. See, normally you could use tape on a painted door or something, but
Yeah.
it doesn't stick to this wood panel very well.
TC table's almost done.
You want, maybe this time you can get even closer so people can see exactly what's going on.
Okay, I'll go where you're standing, maybe.
People say, you can't get through a chain without breaking in the chain.
can't hear.
Oh, yes, you can.
Okay, tell me if I'm on it and I'm there. Okay.
Yep. Or come over here so you can see what he's doing too at the same time. Like right there.
I can't see if I'm on it.
Yeah, right there.
Go that way.
There's a couple elastics there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice flat. There we go.
Yay!
You got it. People say it's impossible. You can't. But
Very
you
nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
can.
Good.
This is
Good.
awesome.
Bolt cutters, they would say, well, sure, if you got bolt cutters, you can get through. It's like, no, 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 no.
No.
Not bolt cutters.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do it the cheap way. Cheapo way.
Piece of bubble gum and elastics.